Food in the woods. Yeah. Let's build a hot smoker. The key to a good smoker is having low heat. Bacteria will grow in all meat between 40 and 140 degrees. I'm not looking to cook the meat. I'm looking to smoke it and draw all the moisture out of it by a low heat fire. Ideally, I like to get my temperature right around 160, 165 degrees. Got a bunch of meat here. I've already cut it up and processed it up. Remember, I want to use a small flame, more of a smoke and a smolder. I should be able to hold my hand over the top of the meat like this and feel a low heat coming through. If I can't hold my hand above the meat, I know it's too hot. I'm going to be cooking the meat. We'll let this rock and roll for a couple hours. I'll check back in when it's done. It's been about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. This is what we're looking like. Still a little rubbery, but it's almost there. Maybe another 2 hours. Not bad enough. Give me a few more. Show you the final product. It's important to remember, after a couple hours of smoking, turn the meats. So both sides are getting all that heat. Change up the pattern where they're sitting at on the actual rack. So all the meat's getting smoked in that heat. All right, we're done. Finally, it's been about 5 hours. We have nice, beautiful jerky. So good. Beef jerky. Jerky. That's how I preserve food in the woods.